We need to talk. This is not what I planned. Today is October 25th, and it's import face-off today. 2 weeks ago, we tore the motor down completely. We threw a rod bearing, we tore the motor down, and I rebuilt it. I rebuilt the motor with aluminum rods, brand new rings, brand new bearings, everything. It was a brand new motor. And, well, I got it running, and our goal was to take it to IFO because I wanted to run it at 10.5 at 140. That was my goal. I killed myself for over a week getting this motor done, and I did it. I built the motor, I got it done. The last couple days I was testing it, and I put about 120 miles of engine vacuum braking on it. The motor's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. The problem is that during last night I was doing some pulls, and I was making sure that it was 100% okay for today. And, well, something happened. I had the U-Haul trailer hooked up to the Duramax. I had everything ready. I had all the tools in the truck. All we had to do left was put the car on the trailer. This is what happened. I was in second gear doing some pulls last night, and, well, now it's super hard to see down there. Something that I had no idea that was gonna happen. As I was doing a second gear pull, at the top of second, I put it in third, and all of a sudden when I put it in third, the RPMs just redlined. So I tried to take it out of gear and it won't come out of gear, but the engine was still running, but it was in gear. So obviously that's a bad thing. As first impressions, I was thinking that it was a clutch, and I had good clutch pressure. And then when I tried to take it out of gear and put it in neutral, it didn't move. The vehicle's stuck in third gear. Third gear ended up exploding and sending the gear to the outside of the case and cracked the transmission case. I did everything I possibly could to get this car ready for today. And, you know, sometimes in life you bust your butt at something and you kill yourself. It doesn't mean that it's always going to work. And I tried. I did everything I possibly could, and I had the transmission for over 7 years, and it's taken a beating, so I'm not surprised. And it's a Jax 2.2 HD tranny with OEM hardened gears, cryo-treated, welded center diff, all that good stuff. I mean, it's a really good tranny. But the power levels that this thing was running, I mean, it didn't really stand a chance. It's kind of funny because I was only on pump gas. I wasn't even on the race gas. I was on pump gas last night. I blew my tranny on pump gas. If I was on race gas at 45, 50 pounds of boost, cool. But I was at 27 PSI last night. And I just shifted into third, and it didn't hold. I got like 90% of our goal done, you know? I mean, I got the motor done. It's just the tranny exploded last night at around 9:30 at night, right before I was gonna put it up on the trailer. Now here's something that my girl told me last night. You know, it's better that it happened here, which was only about a couple miles away from my house where I do my pulls, than on the racetrack at 140 something was to happen. Maybe the tranny lock up, maybe the wheels lock up or something and send me into a wall. You know, so I mean, I'm thankful that it happened here and it happened now versus if we were at the track doing full bore and I could have went into a wall. But I just wish I could have taken it to the track. You know, I did everything I could. I tried to get this car done. I know there was hundreds and hundreds of people, my friends and family, and there was tons of people that I know that were wanting to see the car do its pass and do its thing. And it's not going to happen today. It sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it does suck. But what this means is, there's always a bright side, is that now I get to start working my face off, save up, and buy a dog box, because that's the next plan. The car is gonna be a 900 plus horsepower car. And the only thing that I think that can take that abuse would be a dog box, which is a transmission with straight cut gears, and it whines like crazy, but it's a pure race transmission. And I think that's gonna work. I think that's what we're gonna do. But here's the thing. So we're still going to be going to IFO, and we're taking the Evo. We're going to be putting it in the car show still. So I mean, we're still going to have a good day. It's about 6 o'clock a.m. this Sunday morning, and we're going to get ready to take the Evo out, and we're going to Tucson IFO. But remember, she'll be back, boys. I promise. And when I make a promise, I keep them. The only thing is when. Maybe in a month or two, because this dog box transmission that I'm speaking of is over $5,000. It's over $5,000. We'll get it. I promise. We'll get it. This is not going to be a paperweight. Let's get ready for IFO. Look how good the Duramax looks right now. I just want you guys to appreciate how good this thing looks. God, look at that. So we just got it detailed yesterday. We had it hooked up to the trailer. We were gonna take it. Obviously, we wanted to roll up in, you know, to IFO, looking super good. But the Duramax is staying here. There's no reason to take it. And well, I do have a GST, but the problem with taking that is it's a very reliable car, and right now I have one broken DSM. I do not need 2 broken DSMs. So because of that reason, we're gonna be taking the Evo, putting it in the car show. So let's not be late. Let's get started. Well, before we left, the right rear tire went flat again well, the sun's coming out, so that means we're running a little bit late. So we're going to be filming this for documentation. It is now 8:36 and we are the last in line as of right now. So we're going to see how long it takes to get to the front gate. Oh, this is going to be a long wait. Like always. So we were in line 1, now we're in line 2. That's to get in line 3. That is that. Oh my God, look how far it is. There's 2 lanes going on. So we made it on the inside, and it is officially 9:27. That's not horrible. This is us. You guys remember John? Oh, he has some new side splitters though. Check that out. C16. Carbon front. And the Evo. It's looking pretty. We got it all detailed. It looks nice. Give me 10. Let me win that shit. Let's pop that car. She likes purple and carbon. Another Evo Spud. Look at the grass. Some of our better stuff. Nice. Scottsdale's pretty.
That's what this is.
I'm not a fan, but dang, this is nice.
Oh, it has like a front-facing turbocharger. That's cool.
Subi gang.
Hashtag all the airflow.
Cool and transparent hood. This is pretty cool. We found something that shut down the show. What the freak is going on here? We got a DSM, boys. Yeah, what I knew a DSM was going to be on this channel today. Yeah, it's a little rough, but I like it.
Oh, them pipes though. So that one's kind of cool. It has a oh wow. This one looks like it's running nitrous and a pro charger on a 3rd gen. Check that out.
See how low it is, man?
Nice. That's cool.
Yes.
Let's just build whatever and just ship it out. I feel like check it out, man.
So at first I actually thought this was a 570S, and after talking to the guy, it's actually an MP4. It's the 50th anniversary edition, and there's only 50 of them. This interior is so freaking cool. So this is the size comparison. Look at the size of my hand. Once again, I have tiny hands, but look at these rotors. They're freaking massive. On the MP4. One day, boys, one day we're gonna get an exotic car. I know I haven't really said anything about it, but I'm a really big exotic fanboy. I really want a 2008 Lamborghini Superleggera black on black. One day we'll get it, and one day we'll get there. So there's not a lot of Evos here, and you got to come to the parking lot to find one. Oh, there's another one! 2 Evos in the parking lot, not in the car show. I like these ones. That one's a little rough, but this one's super nice. Where's another one? Oh, there's another one! It's crazy what you find out in the parking lot. Most of the nice cars are actually out in the parking lot. Is this an Evo 9? Oh, it's an Evo 8. Still super, super nice. In the parking lot again, we found an Evo X. Nice. Dang, that's a lot of carbon. We got one DSM here, boys. We got one, and it's racing. This could have been me, but my tranny decided my tranny said no, and it's for sale too. God, this is clean. It looks like an Evo 8. What's up, dude? What's up, bro? Yes, this is the most perfect Evo 8 build. The Evo 8 on huge PTPs.
freaking time.
How many races went today?
There's been like 7 races in like 6 hours.
Apparently there's going to be no racing because, well, it's raining, the track is oiled down, so it would have been pointless for me to bring the GSX anyways. So, well, I think it'll be okay. Now I feel a little better. And it's raining. Huh.